Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to recharge AC in Gmc Sierra. Begin by locating the low-pressure port under the hood and confirm R134A labeling. Park on level ground, run the engine, and set AC to max cold and blower high. Check pressure with the gauge and compare to expected ranges. If pressures are outside safe limits, stop and consult a professional. Keep a fire extinguisher nearby and avoid open flames. In this video, I will show how to recharge AC in Gmc Sierra. Prepare by gathering a quality kit with gauge, hose, and R134A canister, sized appropriately. Inspect the condenser and cabin filter for blockages or leaks, and clear any debris. Warm the engine to normal operating temperature and set the AC controls to the coldest setting with the fan on high. Keep pets and children away during the procedure for safety. In this video, I will show how to recharge AC in Gmc Sierra. Attach the recharge hose to the low-pressure port and verify a solid connection before puncturing the CAN valve. Add refrigerant in short bursts while watching the gauge and aiming for the manufacturer-recommended reading. Listen for hissing that indicates leaks and stop immediately if you suspect one. Cycle the AC and check cabin temperature, then secure all caps and clean up tools when complete.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.